This is Jas again from Oasis Miss. Welcome to today's class. Today I'll be showing us how to make use of perspective in Photoshop. I'll be working with Photoshop CC 2022. You can also achieve this with any version of Photoshop. Please do make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell. Without further ado, journey with me. What I want to achieve here is to be able to type on this road. I want to be able to put my word on this particular picture to make it look real. So I'm going to come to my text tool, activate my text tool, and I'm going to type my text. I'm sure you might have seen something like this online. So I'm going to make it bigger and add more leading to increase the space. So that's 110.8 here. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make selection on this word by hitting the thumbnail, hitting Ctrl and clicking on the thumbnail. So after that, I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy. I will deactivate the selection by pressing Ctrl D. Up the visibility and create a new layer. After that, I'm going to come to my filter and come to variation point. Yeah. So once I'm in this new page, I'm going to make selection around the part I want to put my text. I will come here, make selection here, another one, and then just like that. After this, I will paste the text I copied initially, that is the text I want on this road, by pressing Ctrl V. So here's my text. So I can then bring it here. See, it's quite big. I'll press Ctrl C in order to be able to adjust the size. Obviously, I'm going to hit my Shift key while I adjust it so that it will not deform. So yeah, I have my text here already. Privacy is already well positioned on the road. So after this, I'm going to hit OK, and I have it here. Now let's create more reality to this. I'm going to go to my layer style, order the blending option, and I'm going to adjust the slider of the underlying layer. Underlying layer, I will adjust the slider. So in order to create a blend with the road, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to blend the text with the road just to make it look much more real. With this, we've already achieved our results. I believe this actually of good help, and it will aid your design in your next design project. Until next time, cheers.